ALPMA created the Thought Leadership Awards to recognise law firms that were doing something different in response to the changing legal landscape. By shining a spotlight on their achievements, we showcase what is possible and hopefully inspire firms to innovate in their own practices. Innovation is actually quite critical for law firms, particularly right now where some would say the profession is in a state of flux due to a whole number of competitive issues, plus technology is changing, and it's changing rapidly. Innovation is one way that firms can lower the cost of production, and that in turn leads to lower cost legal services and better ways of delivering those legal services for our clients.
Legal Economy is an online marketplace that provides a new and efficient way for solicitors to engage barristers better suited to the needs of their clients. It does this by allowing barristers to bid for work that best suits their interests, availability and areas of expertise. We aim to improve the community's access to justice by matching clients to the most appropriate barristers in the market, rather than the handful that their solicitor may happen to know. The process is simple. First, solicitors invite tenders for work, outlining details of the matter. Barristers then review matters available for tender and bid for work based on their availability, skills and experience. Often the bids will be for a fixed fee. Solicitors then choose from the tenders which have been submitted, weighing up expertise and fees. This process brings efficiency and equity to briefing by allowing more barristers to be involved in the briefing process and by improving the community's access to justice. Legal Economy has set out to address one central challenge. Existing briefing processes aren't working for either solicitors or barristers. Solicitors either contact barristers directly, which is time-consuming or leads to reliance on one or two barristers, or they rely on barristers' clerks. Either way, solicitors and their clients can't be confident that they have the most suitable barrister available. Further, neither solicitor nor client can be assured that they're getting the best value for money. For barristers, existing processes mean that good barristers are often overlooked for work. Whether that's because they're not on the go-to list or because of the solicitor's limited time or unconscious prejudice, it means that good barristers are missing out. The problem is particularly acute for women. Legal Economy is making only incremental change to a centuries-old process. By asking barristers to self-select on the basis of experience and availability, and giving solicitors the ability to choose only from amongst that select group of barristers, Legal Economy lets the legal market work as a market. Legal Economy allows solicitors and clients to choose from a wider and different pool of barristers for their briefs, and it means that they have full information about fees when they're choosing who will do the work. The direct efficiency gains for solicitors are clear. There are benefits for barristers too, because, very simply, we expect barristers to be busy more often. We also expect that Legal Economy will help firms to reach and report on their equitable briefing targets. Legal Economy benefits solicitors and barristers by improving their working lives. But most importantly is the benefit that Legal Economy brings to the community as a whole. Clients generally don't relish engaging lawyers. They will appreciate a more efficient and transparent process that gives them confidence that they are engaging the best available barrister, a barrister that they can afford, and that they aren't paying too much. For the community, we hope that bringing capable but overlooked barristers to the marketplace on an equal footing will ultimately lead to greater access to representation. That's good for individual litigants, but it also leads to an improvement in the functioning of the system as a whole. Legal Economy is a new online marketplace, which addresses a problem which often goes unacknowledged. The briefing system seems to be working, so why fix it? The fact is that the briefing system is imperfect, and there are costs for the individuals who work within the system, either as solicitors or as barristers, as well as for society as a whole.
Innovation is obviously something we're very passionate about at LexisNexis, so it makes a great deal of sense for us to support an award which highlights organisations in the Australian legal services community who are embracing innovation. We're excited to be able to recognise those organisations that are successfully innovating in the face of disruption. I truly believe these organisations raise the bar for everyone else and propel the whole industry forward. Having ideas is one thing, but executing on them is quite another. So we at LexisNexis are happy to be able to focus on how organisations have turned an idea into something of distinct commercial value and bringing a range of benefits to clients, employees and the broader legal community alike.